In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gcash number on a lost SIM. Let's begin by opening the Gcash app on another phone. It doesn't have to be your own, just a device you trust. This step is crucial because you won't have access to your original SIM. Once you have the app open, tap on the Help Center option, which you will find right on the login screen. This feature is designed to assist you in resolving any issues even if you haven't logged in yet. It's a lifesaver when you're locked out. From there, click on Login Tips and Issues. This section is specifically tailored for problems related to accessing your account. It's beneficial because it consolidates all the relevant solutions in one place, saving you the hassle of searching through unrelated information. Next up, select Lost SIM/phone or its similar option. This choice directs you to the tools and information you need to manage your account without your original SIM. It's important because it initiates the process of securing your account. Now tap on Chat with Gigi and follow the steps provided. Gigi is Gcash's interactive assistant designed to guide you through various processes. You'll find this part invaluable as it offers real-time support and ensures you don't miss any critical steps. Follow the instructions given to block your account temporarily. This action is vital for your security as it prevents unauthorized access to your funds and information. You should see a confirmation once this is completed, giving you peace of mind. With that done, visit your mobile network provider. This is the next crucial step in regaining control over your mobile number. Make sure to go to a branch or service center as they handle these requests. Request a SIM replacement with the same number. Inform the staff about your situation and ask for this specific service. This step is essential because it lets you retain your original phone number, which is linked to many accounts and contacts. Finally, submit the required IDs and documents to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the number is being returned to its rightful owner. It's important to have these documents ready before you visit, as it speeds up the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can change your Gcash number even with a lost SIM. Remember, acting promptly keeps your information secure and minimizes any potential issues. Thank you for watching.